Hey everybody, I just wanted to pop in and give you a few more instructions for the assignment Project 1, Part 1B, because it's a little different than some of the assignments you've been working on so far in the quarter. So let's scroll down. You'll find that assignment at the bottom of week 4. Okay, I'm going to open that up. Here we go. All right, you'll notice that what I've asked you to do is go to a wiki page that has a number of questions on it. Let's open that right now and see if we can get to that. Okay, good. So I've asked you for Project 1, Part 1B to answer questions about the public service announcement, Talk the Dead Housewife. Now, when I present this assignment to a face-to-face class, I ask everyone to work on these questions together. And I wanted to give you a chance to do that. I didn't want you to have to answer all the questions all by yourself. So let me show you how that's going to work. I would like for you to answer one question from 3 different categories. Answer one question from 1 through 5, one from 6 through 13, one from 14 through 18, and I would like everyone to try to answer this question, number 19. This question is, what preliminary claim can you make about the way in which the PSA Talk Them Dead Housewife uses language and images to persuade? In other words, how does Talk Them Dead Housewife use design concepts and ethos, pathos, and or logos to persuade its audience? Okay. Once you have answered at least 3 questions on this group wiki, what I would like for you to do next is please copy paste everything you have here in this on this wiki. And so let's just, I'm just going to do that right now. Oops, sorry. Here we go. Actually, I'm going to hit the edit button first. And it's good to know where that is because that's how you add your answers onto this wiki page. Okay, so I just copied all of the text here. And what I'd like to do next is drop that into this submission box for Project 1, Part 1B. So notice I'm scrolling down to the bottom here, and I'm going to open up this text box. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to paste my answers and everyone else's answers into that text box. You can also upload a document if you want to do that instead. All right, so here is kind of the kicker with this assignment. You might have answers to all these 18 questions and number 19 because maybe everyone in class has already answered all of them. That's great. Here's one thing I'd like you to do though before you submit your final copy of this. Please make sure that you understand and agree with all of the answers that you and the other folks have posted, okay? So, for instance, let's say you are looking at the answer to number 1, and you notice that Nick has written this answer. The exigence for this PSA is the rate of car crashes in Bangalore. Okay, do you know what? Nick, you're right on. That's a great answer. So you will just leave Nick's answer there. You don't have to add anything if you don't want to. But as you scroll down the page, if there are some answers that either you think, I don't know if that's right, or that you want to add to, please do so. So I'm going to be able to respond to all of the answers you post and just let you know if you are really understanding the answers that you've put. Okay, so that's it. That's all you have to do for this assignment. This assignment is, I'm asking you to do this assignment because it's practice for what you're going to start working on next week. Next week, I'm going to be asking you to write an essay on a public service announcement of your choice. So when you start doing that, you're going to want to be able to answer these kind of questions about that public service announcement that you choose. You aren't going to have to answer these questions again in short answer form, even about the public service announcement you choose to analyze, but you should, in your own mind and maybe even in your own notes, be able to answer these questions about the image that you plan to write your essay on. Okay, I look forward to seeing what you write and talk to you soon.